Uric acid is a chemical compound produced by the breakdown of purines in our body. Purines are found in many foods, especially in organ meats, seafood, and some vegetables. Normally, uric acid is dissolved in the blood and is then excreted through the kidneys. However, when the body produces too much uric acid or the kidneys fail to excrete it properly, it can lead to high levels of uric acid in the blood, known as hyperuricemia. This can lead to a condition called gout, which is a form of arthritis that causes severe pain and inflammation in the joints. If you have been diagnosed with high levels of uric acid or gout, it is important to make dietary changes to reduce the production of uric acid in the body. Here are 9 foods that can help reduce uric acid levels and prevent gout attacks. Number 1, cherries. Cherries are known to have anti-inflammatory properties and are rich in antioxidants. Studies have shown that consuming cherries or cherry extract can help lower uric acid levels and reduce the frequency of gout attacks. You can include fresh cherries in your diet or drink cherry juice to reap its benefits. Number 2, low-fat dairy products. Low-fat dairy products such as milk, yogurt, and cheese are rich sources of calcium and vitamin D. These nutrients have been found to be effective in reducing uric acid levels. They also help in strengthening bones and reducing the risk of developing gout. Number 3, quinoa. Quinoa is a protein-rich grain that is also low in purines, making it an ideal food for those with high uric acid levels. It is also a good source of fiber, which helps in regulating uric acid levels and reducing its production in the body. You can use quinoa as a substitute for rice or add it to salads and soups. Number 4, green tea. Green tea is known for its health benefits, and it is also beneficial for those with high uric acid levels. It contains compounds called polyphenol that have anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce uric acid levels. You can drink 2 to 3 cups of green tea daily or take green tea supplements to see its effects. Number 5, berries. Berries such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. These nutrients have been found to be effective in reducing uric acid levels and preventing gout attacks. You can include berries in your diet by eating them as a snack or adding them to smoothies and salads. Number 6, olive oil. Olive oil is a staple in the Mediterranean diet and is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. It contains a compound called oleocanthal, which has been found to be effective in reducing uric acid levels. Replace your regular cooking oil with olive oil to reap its benefits. Number 7, vegetables. Vegetables such as broccoli, kale, and spinach are low in purines and high in fiber, making them ideal for those with high uric acid levels. They also contain vitamins and minerals that can help reduce inflammation and prevent gout attacks. Include a variety of vegetables in your diet to get a range of nutrients. Number 8, apples. Apples are rich in malic acid, which has been found to neutralize uric acid in the body and reduce its levels. Eating apples regularly can help prevent the formation of uric acid crystals in the joints, which can cause gout. Number 9, celery. Celery is a low-calorie vegetable that is rich in water and fiber. It contains a compound called apigenin, which has been found to lower uric acid levels in the body. It also has diuretic properties, which can help increase the excretion of uric acid through urine. In addition to these foods, it is important to limit or avoid foods that are high in purines, such as red meat, organ meats, seafood, and alcohol. It is also crucial to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water to help flush out excess uric acid from the body.